Today, we'll guide you through using an Ozempic pen. But before we begin, make sure to visit our website at forallfamily.com and check out our medical-grade travel coolers, essential accessories for anyone using refrigerated drugs like Ozempic. Let's dive into today's topic. What is Ozempic? Ozempic, also known as semaglutide, is an FDA-approved injectable medicine prescribed for the management of type 2 diabetes. It's conveniently available in a pre-filled auto-injector pen designed to make self-injection easy and comfortable at home. It's administered weekly. How to use an Ozempic pen? Doctors and nurses should have provided you with proper injection training before sending you home with your new Ozempic prescription. But here's a helpful reminder of how to use your pen correctly. Step 1. Preparing the pen. To start, check the label on the pen to ensure it contains Ozempic. Verify the expiration date and inspect the medicine. It should be clear and colorless. If you see any discoloration or particles, don't use it. These may be signs that it has gone bad. Step 2. Attaching the needle. Next, it's time to attach the needle to your pen. Always use a new disposable needle for each injection. First, tear off the paper tab from the needle, screw it onto the rubber top of the pen, and remove the outer and inner caps. Keep the outer caps safe for later. Step 3. Priming the pen. Now we must prime the pen. Turn the dose selector until the counter shows the flow check symbol. Hold the pen upward and gently tap it to move any air bubbles to the top. Then press the injection button until the dose counter goes back to 0. You should see a drop of Ozempic at the needle tip. If not, prime again until you do. Step 4. Selecting the dose. Now we need to select the correct dose of medication. Make sure the dose window is set to 0 and then turn the dose selector to the prescribed dose. Always double check the dose before proceeding. Step 5. Injecting the dose. Time for the injection. Choose a suitable site like the abdomen, thigh, or upper arm. Make sure to rotate the injection site with each use to avoid skin complications. With a pen in your writing hand, insert the needle at a 90-degree angle and press the dose button. Wait for 6 seconds and always make sure the dose window is back to 0 before pulling the needle out. Step 6. Post-injection care. After injecting Ozempic, put the outer cap back on the needle and unscrew it from the pen. Dispose the needle in a sharps container and replace the pen cap to protect your Ozempic from light. Storing Ozempic pens. Proper storage is essential, as Ozempic is highly sensitive to temperatures and quickly loses its potency if not stored properly. Before use, Ozempic pens must be kept refrigerated. Once you've started using a pen, you can keep it back in the fridge or at room temperature not exceeding 86 degrees Fahrenheit or 30 degrees Celsius for up to 56 days max. After 56 days, you should throw your pen away even if there is still medicine inside. If you're traveling to or living in warm weather places, you must use a travel cooler to carry your pens. You're in luck, we've got the most reliable, performant and convenient ones. Check out our catalog using the link below the video and choose among a wide range of travel coolers for refrigerated medicines. That's all for today's guide on using an Ozempic pen. Remember to always follow your healthcare provider's instructions and ask them for advice if you have any questions. Also, if you're new here, consider subscribing if you want to learn more about diabetes and other chronic diseases. We cover different topics, and our posting schedule is Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday, so make sure to click on the bell icon to not miss any future topics. Thank you for watching.